Hello friends, welcome to Swadhyay. Let's learn. Today I will share some of the best tips to teach phonics to kids. How good your kids need to know phonics.
Hello, I am Disang. We will learn phonics today. A, b, b, k, d, d, e, g, Shall we read one more time? Abacada, g, h, I, j, k, l, m, n, o, p, q, r, s, t, a, v, t, y, z.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The only way to achieve this is practice. There are many phonics practice videos for kids on YouTube. So, I am not making any special video on this. But I will give you some tips to learn phonics. Let's start. Tip 1. When to teach phonics to your kids. You should teach phonics when you start alphabet practice for your kids. Tip 2. While teaching phonics, you must show the uppercase and lowercase of each alphabet to avoid confusion. For example, while teaching letter A, show these to your child so that he recognizes them as A, sounding A. You can also include cursive lowercase letters if you want your child to write cursive. Well, this is what I did for my child. So, you can make a chart of alphabets yourself. Tip 3. Give them sufficient time to practice and remember, at least 1 week per alphabet. Remember, there is no hurry. Tip 4. How to explain. I will demonstrate how to explain. This is letter M, and letter M makes sound Remember, it's not M. Prolong the sound a little bit so that your child understands that the word starts with sound, like mat, mango, mushroom, man. You should not teach as M for mat, M for mango, M for mushroom. Teaching in this way will help your child recognize the starting sound of any random word. Tip 5. Make flashcards of letters and ask randomly. You will know if he have a problem. Tip 6. Prepare worksheets. So now I will show you a few worksheets that you can easily prepare for your kids' regular practice. The first one is match the uppercase and lowercase letters. So on one side you will give all uppercase letters, on the other side you can give lowercase letters, and you can ask your child to match these. Now you can see that I've given B, D, P, Q. See, most of the kids get confused in letters B, D, P, Q. So you need to stress on the letters in which you feel your child is a little confused. The next one is this. Even after finishing a few alphabets, you can give this kind of worksheets to your kids. Write alphabets on top of the worksheet and draw a few related pictures. Now ask them to color the pictures with starting sound A. in green and B in red. You can also add some unrelated pictures to check if your child has done it randomly. Now let's move on to the next sheet. Here your child has to choose the correct phonics sound. Some pictures are given over here. 2 options are given and they have to circle the correct option. Like this is cup, cup, cup. So your child has to circle C. Similarly, sun, sun. So it's sound. So circle S. Like that, your child has to finish this worksheet. Let's move on. Match the pictures with their starting sounds. On one side, the starting sounds are given, either uppercase letters or lowercase letters, and on the other side, some pictures can be drawn. And your child has to match the alphabets with the pictures. And after finishing this, they can also color this. Now let's move on. This is the next one. Match the colors with their first sounds. By now your child will know most of these colors. So this is green, green, G. So it starts with G sound. So they have to match it with G. Like that, they have to finish this worksheet. The next one is color the pictures starting with the given letters. In this worksheet, a few alphabets are given and some pictures are drawn. Your child has to color the picture which starts with this alphabet. Next worksheet. Though your child has nothing to do with the spellings right now, still you just have to write the spelling and leave a blank to fill the starting sound. Like the first one is watch. Watch. So they have to write W here. So this is how they have to finish it. So these are different kinds of worksheets. Well, you can make any number of new worksheets with more innovative ideas. You can also play some oral games with your kids to improve their phonics. For example, you can give a word cat and you can ask them what is the starting sound of the word cat. Like that, you can keep giving a lot of different kinds of words and you will see your kid can identify the starting sounds of various words very easily. Tip 7. When you reach letter O, you can start teaching blending. For example, simple 2-letter words like an, am, on, no, etc. Like now, how to pronounce an? Just now as described, try to prolong the sound a little bit like an. Similarly, am. In this way, your child will learn blending very easily. Now, write a simple sentence like I am a boy. I am and write your child's name here. This will increase your child's enthusiasm in learning phonics, words and blending also. So these were the tips and I hope these will be very useful for you in teaching your child phonics. If you like this video, press the bell icon and stay connected with us. Let's learn English together. Please subscribe, like and share Swadhyay. Let's learn. See you with a new video later. Till then, thank you.